Hello everyone. So today I have ordered this Havells fan from the Amazon, and I got it today. So I'm going to do the unboxing of the same and going to show what exactly I have received in this box. So if you will see, the model is Havells Stealth BLDC. So it is having a BLDC motor, and it's a voice model. Uh, so if you can give the command using your voice, if you will see, it's having 2 years for guarantee, having double ball bearing. It's a 1200 length of the fan. It is having a free installation as well. And if you will see here, few of the features are there, like intelligent voice recognition, RF remote, low noise. There are different mode as well, which is mop mode. It is having up to 8 hours setting timers, breeze mode, sleep mode, and it's having a low power consumption. If you see, it's a 5-star rated fan. And here you can see the MRP is almost 13,000, but I got it in around 6,000 something from the Amazon after having a discounts and everything. So let's open this and see what exactly inside the box. And you can also see here is it's written bypass regulator. So it's not advisable to use the bypass in such fans because you are having remote. So let's see. So this is the rod. So it's a pearl white fan. You can see some more white pipes are there. This is shackle kit, okay, to fix the fan. This is a remote. It's a very small in size. It's a black color remote. You can see some more different timers are there, fan speeds are there. This comes with the battery. This is, I suppose, operating instructions. Few means how to use this fan is there. This is a small wire piece as well they have given. This is a warranty card to activate the warranty. This is a white canopy which needs to be put in. And here, as this is a voice model, so you can see it's a voice module is there, which basically detect your voice and control the functionality of this fan. Inside this is a fan blade. So it's a pearl white fan which I have ordered. So it's having a nice build, and it's look good and it's strong. So the build quality of this fan is looks good. So here you can see this is a BLDC motor here, and you can see this is the rotor of the fan, and see, yeah, so that's it we received in this package. So we will call to the customer care for the installation, and then we will see the performance. So far what I have seen is it's a noiseless fan. I hope it gives the similar functionality to us as well. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and we will share this fan performance once we will use it. Thank you.